Thanks for joining us for Midday. I'm Alyssa Royster. We begin with new developments in the case of 3 special needs adults who died from carbon monoxide poisoning after being left inside a running van for hours. The state is now revoking the license of Safe and Sound Services, the company whose employee was allegedly operating that van. Officials say the decision comes after finding the company was not in compliance with state rules.
Our investigation uncovered multiple serious non-compliances with state rule, including, but not limited to, not providing supervision commensurate with the behaviors and needs of each client, and not protecting 3 clients from abuse, harm, mistreatment, or any action that may compromise the health and safety of clients.
Safe and Sound Services must cease operations by March 31st and cannot apply for a new license for 5 years. As for the van's driver, Isaiah Pulu, he's now facing murder charges.